Vegas and we're walking right now over here, town square. So pretty. So in this video I'm gonna show you what my days in Vegas look like. We're gonna go for brunch, we're gonna go to the strip, to a casino, and just have fun. So it's an exciting week. Keep watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and as well let me know in the comment section what's your favorite thing to do here in Vegas. For the ones that have been watching my videos, I told you that I was going to study abroad in France and I canceled it last minute, but hey, kind of like France, right? Hopefully I get to go there soon. But yeah, I'm walking around right now in this strip and it's so cool. It's amazing, like every single hotel has its own unique thing and it's like a different world. I love it. So pretty, guys, and they've got, of course, all the casino area over there. Caesar salad. So we're by the link. Funny story, one of those things the other day just broke. I saw it on TikTok and I am not wanting to get on one of those things anytime soon. But it looks cool. I'm at the buffet at the Wynn, and this is something that I've heard a lot about Vegas, just the amount of buffets that they got, and I'm starting my first plate right now. Everything looks so good. Sushi and lots of meat. So far so good. So this is plate number 2. And we're at my favorite station ever.